guys, this is Cassie. I'm just doing a new little tutorial today. I'm actually really loving doing these tutorials. So today I'm using the Natasha Denona little 5 palette, and it is in the shade PALLETE 03. So I'm trying out a mic for the first time today, so I hope you like it. Let me know some feedbacks on it. But let's get into the tutorial. So I'm taking the steel blue color just on my Lime Crime blending brush. It's just one of their brushes from their aquarium collection, and I'm running that back and forth in my crease line, keeping it nice and tight to my crease line, but then blending it out just towards the edges as well. Just want a nice soft diffuse look. I bought this palette the other day, so this is the first time kind of using it, and I was really quite impressed with the pigmentation. I didn't have any fallout at all, and they were so creamy. Even though they were matte shades, they were still buttery soft. I'm just popping a little bit of that colour in the outer corner, and I'm going to be doing a spotlight today as well, so I'm going to pop some of that colour into the inner corner in a moment too, but just making sure it's all nice and soft and there's no harsh lines in there. Once I've kind of got the colour built up to where I like it, I am going to deepen up that inner and outer corner a bit more as well. I'll be taking another shade in a moment, but I'm just quickly going to run that same steel blue colour just on the lower lash line there. I'm being lazy and I'm just using the same brush as I did on my crease line for the lower lash line as well. I wanted more of like a blown out look rather than like a nice neat black look, so if you were wanting to do something with a smaller sharper line, I would use a more tightly packed dense brush with shorter bristles. So I am going to take that darker colour now, and I'm just going to take that in that same crease and inner and outer corner, and that colour is called Smoke, again from the Natasha Denona palette. All of the colours I'm using are from that palette today. It's pretty cool. It's just like a little colour story. They've got a few of these little 5 quad palettes, and all of them come in a range of different tones, which I find really kind of cool. You don't have to splurge out on one of their big palettes. Although if you do have their big palettes, all of these shades are in those palettes as well. Now I'm taking Cloudy Blue, and I'm just using my finger to pop that on in the middle as a spotlight. I'm just using the warmth of my finger to melt that pigmentation into my skin, and just patting out the edges so that it's nice and soft and I don't have any harsh lines there either. I will deepen up those outer corners now that I can see how the spotlight sits, so I'm taking that Smoke shade again and just popping on the outer corner there and a little bit more on the inner corner as well. I really am enjoying this look. I want to do it again. After that, I'm going to take a little bit of that Cloudy Blue shade just on that lower lash line. I am using a slightly more dense brush for this, and then I am taking a little bit of Chromatic just in the inner corner. I'm only using a tiny bit of Chromatic because it was super duper pigmented, and I just wanted to have more of a little bit of a glow on the inner corner. So lining my waterlines now, I am going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Abyss, which is just like an electric blue. It does have a touch of shimmer to it as well. It is so pretty. It reminds me of like a mermaid. Actually, this whole palette gives me a bit of mermaid vibes as well, but kind of like a, I don't know, siren kind of mermaid, not the cutesy kind. So just a bit of mascara, just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Mine is drying out a little bit, but this is like my favourite Ride or Die mascara. However, I have been loving the Essence False Lashes mascara as well. So if you are looking for more of a drugstore alternative, definitely try that out. Alright, so coming back in just a moment with some lashes and some liner that I popped on off camera. The liner that I'm going to be using is the STILA Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Midnight, which is just like a dark blue navy tone. And the lashes are from ARTEMES lashes, and these are just a silk lash. I'm not sure of the style, so I'll leave them down below. But please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this, and hit that like button as well. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye!